Tired of getting ganked or just want to find a better server to grind in Blox fruits on PC? I'll show you how to change servers in seconds. First, look towards the top left corner of your screen and locate the Blox fruits icon. It's usually right next to the Roblox logo. Go ahead and click on the Blox fruits logo. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down menu, find the Leave Game option, usually located towards the bottom. Click on it. Clicking Leave Game will disconnect you from the current server and take you back to the Roblox game page. Now that you're back on the game page, simply click the big green play button again. This will automatically place you into a brand new Blox fruits server. It's that easy. Keep repeating this process until you find a server that you like. Now you can grind, hunt for fruits, or team up with friends in a new environment. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Blox fruits tips and tricks.